हाय, कैसे हैं आप? दिस इज़ तबस्सुम फ्रॉम टैरो विद तबस्सुम। वेलकम। और आप बहुत दिनों से मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आ रहा था कि मैं एक ऐसी रीडिंग करूं जो कि सिंगल्स के लिए है। दिस इज़ अ रीडिंग फॉर सिंगल्स, फॉर दोज ब्यूटिफुल सिंगल यूनिकॉर्न्स, द स्पेशल गाइज, स्पेशल वुमेन। ओके, सो here I am. So whenever I think of singles, I think of this. I have to show off a little bit, please. So whenever I think of singles, I think of this beautiful song. Uh, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. Okay, and also तू छुपी है कहाँ, मैं तड़पता यहाँ. Okay, so this was the fun part. I was just making you smile. Okay, now we're going to look at some cards for the singles. Okay, so I have oh wow, so these are beautiful ones. Lovely. Okay. Okay. So okay, so for the people who are single, और जिनकी जो कि शादी करने की सोच रहे हैं, सेटल डाउन होने की सोच रहे हैं, एंड अगर वो ये इफ दे लिसनिंग टू दिस रीडिंग एंड इफ वो सुन रहे हैं इस रीडिंग को, तो आई एम श्योर कि दिस इज वेरी गुड न्यूज फॉर देम. सो थिंग्स आर मूविंग वेरी फास्ट फॉर यू गाइज. And I can see lot of contentment coming, lot of security coming. शादी का बहुत अच्छा वातावरण बन रहा है, environment बन रहा है, engagement का बन रहा है. Maybe you guys can get married or engaged or committed to each other. There is a family involved, so families are very happy, and I can see lot of what is it called as contentment, not only financially, materialistically, but also emotionally. Okay, and I see a lot of people are happy, and it is full and abundant and secure. And also then King of Pentacles also says the same thing, that the energy is very, very earthy, very grounded, very secure, which people have really worked hard. So the people who are watching this, who are planning to go into marriage now, they are planning because I think कि वो बहुत सिक्योर फील कर रहे हैं, उनकी काफ़ी चीज़ें अभी लाइन पर हैं, और अगर नहीं भी हैं तो डेफिनेटली होंगी. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी गाइज. एंड आई कैन ऑल्सो सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड ऑफ वर्ल्ड, वेयर आई कैन सी दैट यू गाइज वुड बी लाइक काइंड ऑफ, इट्स अ कंप्लीशन कार्ड. इट इज समथिंग, कंप्लीशन मीन्स दैट एक फेज खत्म हुआ, दूसरा फेज शुरू हुआ. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज एन एंड एंड देन देयर इज अ बिगनिंग. सो कभी भी कोई चीज़ खत्म नहीं होती है. दिस डजंट कम टू एन एंड, दिस ऑलवेज एन अ बिगनिंग. इट्स अ न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्टिंग फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. आई ऑल्सो सी 9 of Cups, which is again a very contentment card, which is full of contentment, and I see emotionally contentment, security, financial stability, family happiness, completion, and also maybe travel. So very soon you guys would be traveling also, but of course as soon as the whole thing is lifted and the ban is lifted, the COVID is a little better, I'm sure that everybody's dying to go for traveling. But there is a travel, there is in fact a long distance travel. And also I can see that maybe you'll meet somebody when you're traveling, maybe you'll meet somebody at your work where you've gone for maybe some business kind of a thing, or you're already getting married and you're going out with them. So it's beautiful, it's a beautiful thing. And let me see more cards. Oh, soulmate. So definitely I'm sure that people who are seeing this reading are really going to meet somebody very soon, or they've already met, or they are going to meet, and there is a fantastic attraction between them, which is going to definitely, okay, this is going ulta, right? So I don't know how to make it seedha. So anyway, this is attraction card. And attraction card means that there is a definite attraction between two people, and attraction is not always physical, guys. It is mental also. It is a very strong spiritual pull also towards each other. So I see a lot of attraction, and you definitely are going to, and this attraction definitely is going to turn out into something very serious, something more steady, long term, and nice. Maybe let me take out one more card and see. Oh wow, and this is going to be your true love. Wow, this is fantastic, guys. This is a beautiful reading. I'm so happy that I'm reading this for you. So कोई गाना याद नहीं आ रहा. Anyway, so so it is a beautiful one, and there is true love, there is a soulmate, there is attraction, there is contentment, emotionally and materialistically secure. The energies are going very fast. It is coming to you very fast. There's contentment emotionally. There is this travel. There is completion. Whoa. There is so much happening and all beautiful things, and I am so happy. When I read such cards, it gives me a lot of happiness. It gives me so much happiness because I know that you guys are going to smile when you read this. Oh, and heart to heart conversation. So guys, if you have anybody in your mind, you've been talking, you've been meeting them, talk to them, communicate with them, open up your heart. You never know what's going to come out of this, okay? So don't keep it in yourself. If you have feelings for somebody, go ahead and tell them, okay? This is the time. And so let's see, maybe just take out, okay. So they are unexpected and wow. So as I said, open up. And the unexpected can happen. Maybe you go somewhere traveling and suddenly, zoom, this person appears in front of you and you say, oh, आपको मैंने कहीं देखा है. Okay, so the unexpected can happen. Miracles can happen anytime, guys. So believe in it, trust in it, that there is somebody for someone. There's someone for somebody always. क्या कभी कोई ढंग से टाइम पे ना गाना याद नहीं आता. As soon as I'll pack my cards, I'm sure I'm going to remember a lot of songs, but what's the point? You're not going to listen to it. So anyway, so it's a beautiful readings, guys. And my last card, okay, so last card, that means it's going to be like last card. Let's see what it is. Oh, wow, wisdom. And there is also a card of void. Okay, so I feel that there is a space in your heart, okay? There is a space in your life where you want to fill it up, and you have enough wisdom now to be able to handle or able to manage a relationship, because you guys have gone through a lot and now you know you have the required wisdom to go through it. And also, as I said, be ready for the unexpected, and also have heart-to-heart conversation with the person. If there is anybody, you may just kind of land up with somebody. You may just find that person somewhere. It can be anywhere, at your workplace, at a market, okay, anywhere, okay, social media, anything, anywhere, or through maybe somebody, through your friends, through a reference, anything, and there's going to be a strong attraction, and this is definitely going to lead to something which is beautiful, because you guys are looking for a soulmate. You're looking for somebody to fill up your life, that empty space. And I see that everything is going to happen beautifully. Just don't have any fears, okay? Open up, and let the other person know what you feel, okay? Don't keep it in you. Don't think that it is not important. Everything is important. Every word you say is important, my love, okay? So here we are. So it's a beautiful reading, and I take your leave with a lot of smiles for you and a lot of blessings for my dear single unicorns. All the best.